Now I invite our Ambassador Afzal Mahmood Saab, Chairman of the Council, to address on this important occasion.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. At the outset, allow me to thank Dr. Kasser and the organizer of this program on this special occasion for all of us. My very warm welcome to my seniors, whom I know almost all of them. We met so many times, and I have high regards for them and whatever they did in this mission. I'm really grateful. I feel honored with your presence, sir. Thank you very much for your patronage. My very special warm greetings to all Pakistani brothers and sisters who are with us this evening. This is a day which reminds of many things to all of us. Number one, nothing is possible. Pakistan came into being with the determination of our elders because they were determined that they would have a homeland of their own. And it is because of their sacrifices that we are recognized as an independent nation, and we are enjoying our lives in an independent country. I've been here just over 2 months, and I've been trying to do my best to connect with all Pakistanis and to connect with everyone who is relevant to Pakistan and Pakistan-UAE relations. So I'm one of the fortunate ambassadors to be representing my country in a brotherly country where we always enjoyed respect and dignity has always been enjoyed by our nationals here. So the number of people which is put at about 1.6 million in the UAE is a large number, and we are really grateful to the UAE nationals and the UAE leadership for respecting our people and for facilitating them for all their needs. And my very special thanks to Sheikh Nahyan bin Mubarak Al Nahyan for gracing us with his presence on this occasion. It means a lot to us, Excellency, and we look forward to patronage, your brotherhood, and your warmth and your cooperation for all times to come. So all of you are important tonight for us here. I look forward to your guidance, and I look forward to hear from you. So I would not take more time. I would rather like to listen to you and allow more time to everyone present in this room. So may Allah give us the strength to support our country, to support our nation. And me and my team are here in very humble position to support our nation as servants of our nation. I thank you very much. Be Allah be with all of us and with Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you.